Good morning, students. I hope you are well. As we have learned yesterday about the chapter 2 introduction to Windows 10. What is the Windows 10? Windows 10 is the latest version of operating system. Okay. So, what is the operating system? When we know about the latest version of Windows 10, okay, this is the operating system. So, what is operating system? We have discussed na? Operating system. Do you know? Do you remember it? Operating system is a mediator just like a postman we have discussed yesterday. Okay, so we can also say that operating system is a set of program which manage all the jobs of a computer to make it run. When we want to connect with the computers, we need software as operating system. Without operating system we cannot open our computer. Okay, we have already discussed all the things. Okay, so today we are going to discuss about the versions of window. Okay, versions of window means why we made versions, because we have made some development and some easiest way to operate. Okay, if we use before years computers, we cannot operate properly. Okay, very easily we have heavy computer. At that time computer is very big, we cannot carry, we cannot do. Okay, so day by day our development will be become, and we get our laptop computers, so we can use anywhere and easily. So that's need to modify and change something to do easily. Okay, so versions of window means some modification on the software and their operating systems. Okay, so MS Window has many versions. Some of the popular versions of the windows are Windows XP, Windows Vista, Windows 7, Windows 8 and Windows 10. Okay, so here you can see Windows 10 is the latest version of Windows. So whatever we are using, our latest version of Windows is Windows 10. Okay, keep in mind Windows 10 is the latest version of Windows. Okay, so you also you have to know about the Paul Garden and Allen and William Henry Bill Gates III are the co-founder of Microsoft Corporation. Microsoft is the operating systems company. Okay, that helps to give the software and many things. So here these two guys are the founder of Microsoft Corporation, which becomes the world's largest software company. These are the founder of the software companies. Okay, next we can discuss about our main important things, main topic what we have learned today. Okay, for example, can you answer me why we like chocolate, why we like dairy milk? Because in dairy milk we have some yummy tasty, okay, yummy different taste, different flavors, so we like chocolates. Same thing, if some software, some operating systems have some properties, then we can use na. So there are features of Windows 10 are as follows. First feature is what? It includes the best feature of Windows 7 and Windows 8. It is the best feature according to as compared to the before versions. Okay, best features. Next point is Windows 10 comes with a great inbuilt store with has many apps, songs, games and entertainment applications than ever before, many of which are there. In the Windows 10 has a lot of apps available, lot of songs available, we can play many games and we can entertain ourselves in easy way. Okay, lot of applications are there in Windows 10, so we can use easily. That's why we are like Windows 10. And other point is here, it is the more interesting and has many new things, icons and pictures. It has many interesting icons, attractive pictures and themes, so we can use them. Okay, next point is it has new scratch tool called Cortana. Okay, this has new scratch tool called Cortana. It will help to find the things and get things done easily. We can find anything easily. Okay, the information can search by the talking to Cortana. We can use microphone and search information very easily with the help of this. Okay, so Windows 10 has the task view button to right of the search button. It has the task view what we are doing we can see on the task view. Okay, it will show you all the open window on your desktop. Okay, so we can open task view, we can show the open window what we are doing in same time. Lot of work we are doing on the computer, so we can see in one time what we are doing on the computer. Okay, so this is the main feature of the Windows 10, because Windows 10 is our latest version of operating system. Okay, thank you.